Hello, my name is Randy Rosenkrans, and welcome to the Kaplan Exam Preparation and Test Taking Tips video. The purpose of this video is to walk you through the best practices for studying for your state licensing exam and to also talk through some simple concepts, common sense test taking tips. These strategies apply whether you're preparing for the life and health exam, the property and casualty exam, or the adjuster license exam. Now, let's talk about the licensing exam. Let's talk about some specific test taking tips for the licensing exam. The exam is comprised of multiple choice questions, no essay questions. State licensing exams typically range from 50 to 200 questions, with a common range being 100 to 150 questions for a combined lines exam, for example, the life and health or the property and casualty combined line exams. Single line exams typically have less questions than the combined exams. The time allowed to take the exam is generally 1 to 3 hours, somewhere around 1 minute per question. But depending on your state, roughly 70 to 80% of the test covers general insurance concepts, while 20 to 30% focuses on state-specific laws and regulations. It is absolutely critical that you make sure and study all of the units in your Kaplan material. The state's exam content outline is an excellent source for understanding the topics that are to be on the exam and the weighting of the number of questions per topic. That outline also shows the total number of questions on the exam and the duration of the exam.